to cookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, just finished, okra or lady's fingers. We're going to do a nice Indian vegan curry. It's very, very simple. It's very tasty. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at some of the ingredients we're going to be using today. There's our okra. Now what I've done with that, as you know, it comes in a kind of, a stick. So I've just taken the nib off, the end off, and then you can chop it how you want. I've chopped it just like that. Fresh tomatoes, onions. You can kind of see the quantity. I mean, I'm making quite a lot of this. You probably won't be making as much as this, but you can see the roughly equal parts to and then the onions. Here I've got some powders. As always, the big four. I've got a teaspoon here for this amount of coriander, cumin, turmeric and chili. Here I've got some fresh chilies, which I'm going to put in whole today. There's my garlic ginger paste, which is like 3 large teaspoons of 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. Here I've got my whole seeds or whole garam masala, a little bit of cinnamon stick. Today I'm using some dried red chili, a few green cardamons and some cumin seeds. Here I've got some fresh curry leaves. If you can get them, fantastic. Otherwise you can get them dried. Not quite the same, I've tried it, but yeah, we're very lucky we've got them in abundance. It's really quite simple. Let's get over to the cooker. So I've got a pan here, or a wok or something like that you're going to need. And in there I've got some oil. I'm using a sunflower oil today, but you could be using a different type of oil. Maybe like a mustard seed oil would be good, or maybe a coconut. We're going to drop in our whole seeds or garam masala. So in they go. Like I say, got a bit of dried red chili, some green cardamoms, a little bit of cinnamon stick and some cumin seeds. And all we want to do here is let the heat get through there, and that will infuse that oil and give it a lovely, lovely flavour. So just a couple more seconds on here. Then we're going to go for our fresh curry leaves, which we're going to drop in. They can be fairly noisy, these, so hold tight. Let's see. Okay, not too bad at all. And again, really infusing the oil. I'm now going to add our onions. And our garlic ginger paste. And on a medium heat. I'm going to cook this for about 6 or 7 minutes. I want to kind of get them nicely cooked. So give it a stir every now and then. I'll be back when they're a little bit more cooked and translucent. Here we go. So these onions are cooking really nicely. We've got a wonderful, wonderful aroma coming from this pan right now. And let me grab those tomatoes. In they go, roughly chopped. While I'm here, I'm going to drop in your chili, which is optional to you as to how much you want to put in. Get some salt in there. And what we're going to do now, again on this medium heat, we're going to just cook these tomatoes along with the rest of the ingredients. Again, for about 6 or 7 minutes. What we're trying to do here is break these tomatoes down and get a nice little bit of sauce. I'm also now just going to add a little touch of water. That was cold water. You could use warm or hot if you want, I suppose. So yeah, we're going to cook this now until the tomatoes break down. Estimating 6 or 7 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, so as you can see here, the tomatoes are starting to break down nicely. They've given off a little bit more moisture. Still want it to go a little bit more, but now I'm going to add in our powders. And like I say, big four there, equal parts of cumin, coriander, chili powder and turmeric. This is really going to bring this to life now. So again, I'm going to continue cooking here for about another 4 to 5 minutes. Stirring every now and then. Just need those tomatoes to break down just a touch more before we add our okra. Okay, beautiful. At this stage, our chopped, washed okra is going in. The whole lot, like I say, this is quite a lot I'm using. And we're going to give this a little mix around. Now, depending on how you like your okra, some people like it super soft. I like mine with a little bit of bite, so I'm going to go only for about 5 minutes now. What I am going to do, let me grab a little bit more water in there. That's looking great. So yeah, about 5 minutes, 5 or 6 minutes maybe, on an above medium heat now. Or if you want longer to get your okra or ladies' fingers how you want. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, off goes the heat. That's exactly where I want it to be. So a little bit of bite to my okra. I'm happy about that. I'm just going to finish this off now with a little couple of pinches of garam masala powder. If you wanted some fresh coriander or cilantro or fresh mint or a combo of both, would work nice. I'm not going with that today. Just the garam masala powder. And that's it. Check that for salt. You might want to add a bit more. I'm good. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we will see you soon. Lots of love.